So in my previous video I started with remove a part, that is removal of adverb to, and in that I had done rule 1, that is if the sentence is given in the present tense, like the sentence that I had used was the man is too old to run, and the complex form of that sentence I had given, and then I had mentioned the second sentence which was in past tense, the boy is too tired to work, and the complex sentence was the boy was so tired that he could not work. So now in this I'm going to start with rule 2, that if the sentence is the tea is too hot for me to drink, then in that case this for me, which is me, which is a personal pronoun, is going to be changed to I when you transform it to complex sentence. Your answer will be the tea is so hot that I cannot drink it. Now here me is going to change into I, him to he, her to she, them to they, and us to we. So I have given you more examples. The sun is too hot for us to sit outside. The simple sentence will get transformed into complex sentence in this way. The sun is so hot that we cannot sit outside. Similarly, the third sentence, now it's in the past tense. It was too hot for him to go out. Now here the complex sentence would be, it was so hot that he could not go out. I hope you have understood this. Now we come to rule 3. Now in the simple sentence, if the sentence is like this, the lesson is too difficult to understand. Here the subject is not mentioned, so you will use it or one depending on the sense of the sentence. Now the complex sentence would be, the lesson is so difficult that one cannot understand it. You will use the subject one here. Now one more example. It is too hot to sit outside. Here the subject is not mentioned. So you will write the complex sentence would be, it is so hot that one cannot sit outside. I have given you 2 more examples here for your better understanding. The dress is too costly to be purchased. It is a simple sentence. So it will get transformed into complex sentence when you remove to. It will be in this way, the dress is so costly that it cannot be purchased. The same sentence can be written in this way also, the dress is so costly that one cannot purchase it. Now last example that I have given, the case was too urgent to be postponed. So it will get transformed into complex sentence in this way, the case was so urgent that it could not be postponed, because it is past tense, so you will use could not be postponed. Now rule 4, in a sentence if only 2 plus adjective is given and 2 plus verb is not given, that is infinitive and verb part is not there, only 2 plus adjective is given, then remove to and use extremely or use beyond the proper limit after the adjective. The example I hope you will be understanding. Like the simple sentence is, the class is too noisy. Here after to, adjective has been given, but after that there is no infinitive or verb. So your complex would be, the class is extremely noisy, as I told you, or you will use the class is noisy beyond the proper limit, and I'll give you one more example. Ravi is too eager for praise. Now here to remove to, you will use Ravi is extremely eager for praise, or you can also write Ravi is eager for praise beyond the proper limit. Now we come to use of adverb to, that is by using the adverb to, how you can transform the sentence without changing the meaning. By use of adverb to, we can change complex sentence into simple sentence. That is a vice versa of what we have done earlier. So a complex sentence, suppose it is, Dinesh is so wise that he cannot be deceived. Here structure of sentence is subject, which is Dinesh, plus verb, which is plus so, plus adjective, which is wise, plus conjunction that, plus personal pronoun, which is he, she, it or they according to the subject, and can or cannot or could not according to the tense that you will be using. Here it is present tense, so you have used cannot plus be plus V3. V3 is the third form of the verb. So here we have used the word deceived. So it will be transformed into a simple sentence in this way. Dinesh is too wise to be deceived. The pattern is subject, which is Dinesh, plus verb, which is, plus to, adverb, plus wise, which is adjective, plus to, which is infinitive, and then be plus V3. V3 is deceived. So the simple sentence would be Dinesh is too wise to be deceived. And one more example I have given here, the second type. The night is extremely cold, as we had done in rule 4. So your simple sentence will be the night is too cold. So I hope you have understood all the rule 4 and you will be able to do it. So students, today you must have understood very well the first form of transformation of sentences, which is removal and use of adverb to. I have given you assignment title 5 in the PDF file that has been sent to you. I will come with my second form of transformation of sentence in my next video. Until then, practice the sentences given in the assignment.